guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset your Discourse password if you are locked out. Right, so as you can see, I'm trying to log in to my Discourse account, but I'm not able because I forgot my password. So what do you do in this situation? All you need to do is input your email, the email you used to create the account, and you input that. After inputting it, you click on forgot password. So they said we sent instruction to change your password to zaralisa00 to Gmail. Please check both your inbox and spam folder. So let's go to my email, my Gmail, right? And this is the message you just sent to me right now. So all you need to click on reset password, and it's take you to their website, about their web page. So this take a little while to load up, so you need a very good internet connection for this. So you'll be asked to input a new password that will be convenient for you. So I'll just put that, and you click on change. Okay, at least it's so you see continue discuss. So you click on OK, and right here you get to put the password you just changed, and right. So you can see I just logged in. It's very simple. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.